Hi everybody, welcome to the HeadLamp 200 instructional video. In this guide, we're going to cover the following: overview, lighting modes, fit adjustment, recharging, cleaning, and then setup for the optional light diffusing stuff sack. Let's get started. The HeadLamp 200 is comprised of the following components: an articulating front LED panel featuring a 200 lumen spotlight and red floodlight, a single power button to access lighting modes and control brightness, the adjustable moisture-wicking headband, and a micro USB rechargeable battery located on the side of the front panel. On the back of HeadLamp 200's front panel, you'll find your serial number. Use this to register your headlamp on the BioLite warranty page. When unboxing your HeadLamp 200 for the first time, it'll come programmed in lock mode. So you might press it, it'll flash twice and then turn off. That's on purpose, that's to preserve the battery. We'll get you out of that right now. Press and hold the power button for 8 seconds. The spotlight will flash white one time and you can now access all modes. The lighting modes rotate through the following sequence: red flood, white spot, red strobe, white strobe, and off. To access your desired mode, click the power button in half-second increments until you reach your setting. Here it is in real time so you can get the rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4, off. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, off. If you wait too long in between clicks, your HeadLamp 200 may turn off. No problem. Just click it back on and press to your desired mode. Your headlamp comes programmed with memory, meaning it will turn on to its last remembered setting. The memory setting will last for 12 hours before returning to the default setting. When in white spot or red flood, you can dim the headlamp by pressing and holding. When it blinks, it's as low as it can go. To brighten, press and hold again. It'll blink at its brightest setting. The unit also has a lock mode feature that you can use to prevent your HeadLamp 200 from accidentally turning on in your pack or while in transit. To enter lock mode, press and hold the power button for 8 seconds while the headlamp is off. The headlamp will flash twice in white. This means you've successfully locked your unit. Now, if there are any accidental presses, it'll only flash. No battery wasted. To exit lock mode, press and hold again for 8 seconds. It will flash once in white, and your headlamp is now unlocked and ready to access all light settings. The HeadLamp 200 fits kids and adults alike thanks to the Easy Adjust band. For a comfortable and high-performance fit, place the headlamp on your head, and then you're going to use the 2 adjustment clips in unison. To tighten the band, pull the clips away from the back of your head. To loosen the band, push the clips toward the back of your head. It's important to use the clips in unison to keep your headband balanced, so try to avoid just pulling on one side. To adjust the direction of your light, you can move the LED panel up and down easily with one hand. Using the traction from the rubber power button, guide the front panel downward. To adjust back up, push gently on the front of your panel. The rechargeable headlamp has run times of up to 3 hours on max brightness and 40 hours on low. After you turn your HeadLamp 200 off, the floodlight will flash. That will give you feedback on how much juice is left in your battery. 2 green blinks, it's more than 50% full. 2 red blinks, it's less than 50% full. 4 red blinks, your HeadLamp 200 is out of juice and needs to be recharged. To recharge your unit, tilt the front panel down and connect via the micro USB port located on the side. You can charge from USB power sources at home or on the go. To confirm the unit is charging, the floodlight will slowly pulse green. When your headlamp is fully charged, that green light will shut off and disengage charging. The moisture-wicking smart fabric keeps you cool and dry during activity and features 3 bonded layers that protect your electronics from any sweat. You can sponge clean the inside of your band using warm water and mild soap or detergent, but don't dunk it or run it under a pouring faucet. If you have the light diffusing stuff sack, which is sold separately, you can easily turn your HeadLamp 200 into a hangable lantern. Fold your headlamp so the band collapses into a half circle. With the LED panel facing down, feed one side of the band through the inner loop located inside of the stuff sack, and then do the same thing with the other side. This suspends your headlamp in the middle of the sack for an even glow. Turn the unit on, give it a cinch, and it's ready to hang as a lantern. Easy rechargeability and a perfect fit. That's the HeadLamp 200. From all of us here at BioLite, thanks for watching.